Hello friends, have a very nice happy new year. So today's class will be about idioms for the competitive exams. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. If you have any queries regarding this class, kindly drop your questions in the comment box. I will go for answering the questions. Okay. So kindly keep watching my videos. So here are the first questions. The idiom is leave no stone unturned. This is the idiom. And there are four options. Not to be allowed, on opportunities. Option B, to spend money quickly. To spend money quickly. Option C, use all available means. Option D, good nature. So there are four options in serial order. We have to select the right options. Now, what is the meaning of leave no stone unturned? Means I will try my level best. I will strain every nerve to do something. This means first option does not match. Second two. Third option, no questions at all. Use all available means I will try my best. I will try everything to do something. So this will be the answer. What is the another synonym for leave no stone unturned? You can say strain every nerve. It's a very nice idiom. It is also an idiom. Okay. You have to prepare the idioms once and again. Try to use the idioms in your practical life, in your writing, or vice versa, so that at the time of need, all will be rolling across the mind. Now, I would like to discuss the second questions. Kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. Options A, option the question. It is not an option. Question. Keep one finger crossed. This is the idiom. Option A, the anxiety in which you hope that nothing will upset your plans. This is the first option. Second option, a state of confusion third option, one who gossips more. Fourth option, to allow someone to leave or die naturally. So there are four options. Be careful, my students, my friends. Keep one's finger crossed means holding the faculty, holding the mental strings amidst great trouble. You can say that hope against hope. There is no hope, but still I am holding the hope. This is called keeping one's finger crossed or keep one's finger crossed. The situation is very tough, but still I am courageous enough to overcome the situations. A state of confusion, no questions. Gossip, no questions. Allow someone, no question. This will be the answer, as nothing will upset your plans. The anxiety in which there is great anxiety looming large, but still you are not losing your hope. So this is the real answer with respect to the questions. So prepare your vocabulary, prepare your idioms properly. Now it is all about the next idiom. The next idiom is also very important. Take to one's heels. Options. First option, active and energetic. Second option, make someone angry. Third option, something one is proud of. Option D, run away. So this is the question and these are the option. Now we are asked to select the right options. Take to heels means escape. So whenever it means escape, it is going to be incorrect. It is two, not an exception. This means run away will be the answer. Okay. Instead of run away, flee away can be given. So be careful. You should not be confused that flee away is given. I don't know the meaning. You should have to know the meaning. So flee away may be given instead of run away. Whenever you are going to sit for the competitive exam. So we have to know the meanings properly and prepare the meanings for the exams. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. Now I will discuss some more questions. If you have any queries regarding the questions, kindly drop your questions in the comment box section. I will leave no stone unturned to answer your questions. Now it is all about the last questions. Show a clean pair of heels. To be very similar, run away, option C, to keep quiet, option D, economical. What is the meaning of the idiom? It means flee away or run away. So, in the previous question, it is also about flee away, run away. In the next question, it is also about the same thing. To be economical cannot be the answer. If we choose this, it will be incorrect. If we choose this, it will also be incorrect. As neither of them means escaping, but run away means the same. This means this will be the answer. So prepare these idioms properly with new and new variations so that you will not be deceived by the examiners in the exam halls. Kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels, and do not forget to press the notification bell icon. If you have any queries regarding these questions, kindly drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to answer the questions. So here is my class for the day. Soon I will upload more and more videos. I will take more and more classes. Till then, have a very nice day and be in safety, as you all know that the new variant Omicron is also on the rise to a great extent. So kindly maintain the safety protocol. Till then, till tomorrow, I would like to wish that you all should be very careful about the exams and also about the virus too. Have a very nice day, my students and my friends too. Goodbye.